In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can clear all your history at once on ChatGPT. Clearing your chat history on ChatGPT can be important for privacy reasons. It ensures that your previous conversations are not accessible to anyone who might have access to your device. It's like wiping the slate clean, providing a sense of security and peace of mind. To do this, simply head into your ChatGPT app. On the home page, tap right here on these three dots and head into your settings. On the settings page, select the option of data controls. To clear all your chat history or what you have been always searching for, just tap on Clear Chat History. Tap on Confirm. All your search history will get cleared successfully. And if you get back and head into your recent searches or chats, you won't find anything. That's how easy it is to clear all your chat history on ChatGPT at once. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.